Hi, and welcome back to Lisa's Stamp Studio. Today is week 5 in my series on my craft room tour, and today we're going to talk about shelving. I'm a paper crafter, and the shelves I'm going to share with you today are specifically to hold stamp sets. However, they can be used to hold other things as well. I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised at the cost and where I've purchased them from. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to encourage you to do so. Go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and make sure you click that small bell icon that's next to it. That will send you notifications of when I'm live here on YouTube, as well as when I upload a new video. Now let's dive into today's storage and organization tip. These storage cases from Ikea are actually DVD holders. They're fairly narrow, but they hold stamp cases perfectly. Now, whether you have your stamps in cases like I do, or perhaps you have them individually on shelves, the depth here is perfect. I'm able to get 9 to 10 stamp cases in every single one of these partitions of the shelves. I have 2 of them here in my Ikea craft room, and my best advice to you is to add up the number of stamp cases that you already have or stamp sets, and then determine how many of these shelves you're going to need. The best news is that they are incredibly affordable. Make sure too that you consider growth. You're going to need to make sure that you have ample space to store additional cases or stamp sets. I've removed several of the stamp sets from this case, and I want to give you a good look here. The great thing about these shelves is that they are adjustable so that you can customize them based on what you're storing. So perhaps you're not storing stamp sets. Perhaps you're storing fat quarters of fabric for quilting, or perhaps bobbins or spools of thread. These will fit perfectly. Construction is easy. It took my husband only under an hour to put them together. He did anchor them to the wall for additional support, but that is completely optional. And simply because I don't have ample space to put them side by side, they are actually in 2 different areas of my room, but they certainly could go next to one another if you have wall space to accommodate them. Ikea holds a huge selection of storage and organization products. I'm going to link the supplies that I shared with you today down in the video description below if you are here visiting from YouTube. If you have enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, which is a like here on YouTube. It makes both them and I very happy. And I look forward to seeing you next week for video 6 in the Craft Room series. Have a great day, everyone.